You spent weeks designing the perfect product. Your logo is sharp, your idea is solid. But when you upload product photos to your Etsy store, your Amazon listing, or your Shopify site, they look like your cousin took them with a 2012 iPhone. And customers scroll right past you. Here's the hard truth. In e-commerce, perception is reality. If your visuals look cheap, your product looks cheap, no matter how good it actually is. And hiring a professional photographer costs anywhere from $300 to over $2,000 per session. So today I'm breaking down Mockey, an AI mockup generator that just landed on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. I've gone through every feature, dug through user reviews across G2, Trustpilot, and Product Hunt, compared it against the big players. And I'm going to tell you honestly who this is for, who this is not for, and whether this AppSumo deal is actually worth grabbing. Now, full transparency, I didn't pay for this tool to review it, and that's actually my point. Everything I'm about to show you comes from the AppSumo product listing, 30 plus real verified user reviews from G2 and Trustpilot, the Product Hunt community thread, and hands-on testing with Mockey's completely free plan, which requires zero credit card, zero subscription. Just sign up and go. I do this because I believe the best reviews come from real research, not from someone paid to say nice things. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the real problem for e-commerce sellers, print-on-demand creators, and freelance designers. You've got three options when you need product photos. Option 1, hire a photographer. Average cost? $300 to $2,000 per shoot. And that's before you factor in reshoots every time you tweak a design, every time you launch a new colorway, every time you add a product variant. Option 2, use Photoshop. It's powerful, but it has a steep learning curve and every new mockup can take hours to perfect. Hours you could spend on your actual business. Option 3, use a subscription mockup tool like Placeit. Now, Placeit's great. I've used it, but their free tier slaps a watermark on every single download, and the paid plan runs $16.50 a month, $198 a year, and that cost never stops. This is the trap most creators fall into. You're either bleeding money on photography, losing hours to Photoshop, or paying a monthly fee forever. And every single day without professional-looking product images, that's conversion rate lost. That's revenue on the table. So let's talk about what Mockey actually gives you. Feature 1, 15,000 plus templates, 45 plus categories. Mockey has over 15,000 mockup templates across more than 45 categories. We're talking apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, socks, tech, phones, laptops, tablets, packaging, home decor, accessories, posters, even video mockups. What that means for you, you're never starting from scratch. Whether you're a streetwear brand, a Shopify home goods store, or a freelance designer showcasing client work, there's a template ready to go. Feature 2, 2D, 3D, and video mockups. Most tools give you flat 2D mockups. Mockey gives you 2D, 3D, and video mockups. That 3D capability is huge, because when a shopper sees a 360-degree or animated product visual, it builds trust and reduces purchase hesitation. One reviewer on Product Hunt called it, and I'm paraphrasing here, the only mockup generator that produces stunning results for free. That's the free tier they're talking about. The AppSumo lifetime deal goes even further. Feature 3, AI Photo Shoot plus AI Animate. This is where Mockey starts to pull away from competitors. Their AI Photo Shoot feature generates high-quality product photography, studio-style lighting, clean backgrounds, without you needing a camera, a studio, or a photographer. AI Animate turns static designs into moving product visuals for social media ads and listings. What that means practically, a print-on-demand seller can launch a new t-shirt design, generate photorealistic lifestyle images for Instagram, and have animated ad creative for TikTok, all inside one tool in minutes. Feature 4, background remover, blur, image editing. Mockey includes a built-in AI background remover, blur tools, and image editing, all browser-based. No installs, no Photoshop license. Users on G2 noted that the AI saves real-time on design iterations, because you can color test and background test directly inside the tool instead of exporting files back and forth. Feature 5 is watermark-free downloads. Here is what sets Mockey apart at the free tier, and it's remarkable. Unlimited downloads, no watermarks, even on the free plan. That is not the norm in this market. Placeit watermarks you. Smart Mockups limits your free exports. Canva watermarks premium assets. Mockey's reviewers across multiple platforms consistently call this out as a genuine differentiator. Feature 6, Figma plugin plus Shopify app plus mobile app. For designers already working in Figma, Mockey offers a plugin with access to over 5,000 templates directly inside your Figma workflow. No switching apps. There's also a Shopify integration and an Android mobile app, so you can create and update mockups on the go. I want to share what real users are saying, because my opinion matters less than the people who use this every day. On G2, one verified user said Mockey helps them, and I'm paraphrasing, build company branding across multiple products without needing outside help. That's the kind of time and budget saving this tool is delivering for real teams. On Trustpilot, users praise the ease of navigation and the quality of the t-shirt and hoodie previews. One reviewer uses it 3 to 4 times a week. That's a tool people actually return to, not just try once. On Product Hunt, it was described as a rare gem in the e-commerce landscape, specifically because the ability to customize backgrounds and get professional-grade results is, quote, a boon for those budgeting every cent in their startup journey. And independent reviewers compared it directly against Placeit and wrote that, on the free tier, Mockey wins. It's not even a contest. Because the lack of watermarks and unlimited downloads is a feature Placeit simply does not offer for free. All right, let's be real. No tool is perfect, and Mockey has some genuine limitations you need to know about before you decide. First, no batch processing. If you're a large print-on-demand operation that needs to generate 500 mockup variations in one run, Mockey is going to slow you down. Dedicated batch tools exist for that use case, and Mockey isn't competing there. Second, free plan exports at lower resolution. Reviewers on Trustpilot noted this frustration. The free plan downloads are lower quality, which means for print production or high-resolution advertising, you'll need the Pro plan or the AppSumo lifetime deal to get full-quality exports. Third, limited model diversity. Some reviewers flagged that the lifestyle mock-up photos, the ones showing real people wearing or using products, lack variety in age range and representation. If your brand specifically needs diverse model imagery, you may need to supplement with other assets. Fourth, layer-level control is limited. One G2 reviewer mentioned you can't place a design on a specific layer, like the pocket or sleeve of a hoodie, independently. For designers who need that granular control, you'll still need Photoshop for those edge cases. So, this tool is not for you if you're a high-volume POD operation needing batch automation or a professional designer needing Photoshop-level layer precision. But for the vast majority of e-commerce sellers and creators, these limitations are minor against the value. Let me put some real numbers on the table, because this is where the AppSumo deal either makes sense or it doesn't. Professional product photo shoot, starting at $300. Realistically, $500 to $2,000 depending on your market. And that's per session. So every new product launch, every seasonal update, that meter starts again. Placeit, the market leader, $16.50 per month on the annual plan. That's $198 per year, every year, with limitations on batch usage and a paywall on premium templates. Photoshop, $22.99 a month, $2.76 per year, and you still need to learn it or pay someone who knows it. Now, the Mockey AppSumo lifetime deal is a one-time payment. You pay once, you own it. No monthly, no annual renewal, no recurring drain on your business budget. The first time you use Mockey instead of booking a photographer, that deal pays for itself. The second time, it's pure profit. Year 2, year 3, year 5, every mockup you generate is free. That is the math, and that math only works in one direction. So, who is Mockey built for? Mockey is for Etsy and Shopify store owners who need professional product images without a photographer, print-on-demand sellers on merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Printful, Printify, freelance designers who need to present concepts to clients in realistic contexts, social media marketers who need high-volume visual content for ads and organic posts, startups and small brands with no design team and no photography budget. Mockey is not for enterprise operations needing 500-plus batch mockup exports per day, Photoshop power users who need full layer and mask control, developers needing API-level automation integration. If you're in that first group, the AppSumo link is in the description below. AppSumo lifetime deals expire. Once the timer runs out, the one-time pricing is gone, and you're back to a monthly subscription model. So if you've been thinking about it, now is the time to decide. And if this breakdown was useful, subscribe. I cover AppSumo tools every week so you never miss a deal worth grabbing. I'll see you in the next one.